Good day, everyone. For this video, we will be answering differential equation level 1 sample problems again. And for this difficulty will be hard, and the task is to obtain the general solution of the following. You may pause the video and try it on your own and play it afterwards to see the step-by-step solution. So for our problem number 1, we have this differential equation. And to evaluate kung unsa iyang solution gamiton is kani dili siya homogeneous since we have ln x, and kung mag-plug in tag k dili ma-factor out, and isa pad pod si exponential dili ko na factor out si k kung mag-plug in ta diri kang x, and dili sad siya separable since we have dx multiplied to a series of terms nga naay variable x and y, so dili sad siya ma-factor out. And if we will be proving this to be exact is possible, but kung unsaon nimo siya is dili gid siya mag-exact kung i-derive nimo ni. We have y dire and sa dy is wala. So ang nabilin nga solution is the linear. So let's try to transform this one into the solution or formula for linear, either dy or dx. Try na to siya if linear siya in y, dx katong plus p of x times y is equal to q of x. So let's start by dividing, multiplying both sides of the equation by 1 over dx. So ang mabilin, we have 2xy ln x plus y minus e raised to negative 2x plus x ln x times dy over dx is equal to 0. Since ato ang dy over dx diri is walay nakamultiply nga tawagan na function, so kuhaon nato ning x ln x by multiplying again both of the side of the equation by 1 over x ln x. So we will be arranging this one, dy over dx diri plus this whole term divided by this term. So 2xy ln x plus y minus e raised to negative 2x all over x ln x is equal to 0. And simplify, we have dy over dx plus distribute this one. So we have 2xy ln x all over x ln x plus y over x ln x minus e raised to negative 2x over x ln x is equal to 0. Since natay factorable nga y, ma-factor out ato na siya, and kani nga term 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth term is wala siya variable y, so meaning mo ni siya si q of x. Transpose ato na siya sa right side. So dy over dx plus, since kani is ma-cancel out si x ln x ug si x. So nalabilin nga 2y plus y over x ln x, in which again ato ang ma-factor out si y. So i-factor out, di ba? So meaning we have 2 plus 1 over x ln x y is equal to e raised to negative 2x over x ln x. So na-transform na to siya sa tuang kaninga formula. And the second step is to find the integrating factor of x. So e raised to what? The integral of 2 plus 1 over x ln x dx. So, focus sa diri, ang equal niya is 2x plus x ln x is equal to ln of x. So, nganong nga na siya? So, if we let u be equal to ln x, so pag i-derive du is equal to 1 over x dx. And ato ang u integral karon mahimong integral of 1 over u du is equal siya kang ln u. And ang ato ang u is equal to ln x. So, plug in ln x. So, kaya nga na. So, ang ato ang integrating factor is equal to e raised to 2x plus ln of ln x. Don't forget the parentheses since we are distributing the e to each term. And we can simplify this by applying the formula for algebra of exponential. Pag na-ma-add, equal siya sa multiplication sa imong same base. So, mo siyang e raised to 2x times e raised to ln of ln x. And equal na siya, kani ma-cancel out. So, e raised to 2x times e raised to, wala na si e. ln na siya diretso. ln x na lang ang bilin. ln x na lang ang bilin. So, balik ta sa tuang general formula nga y times the integrating factor is equals to integral of q of x times the integrating factor, which is this. So, dito ta, general formula, y is equal to e raised to 2x ln x is equal to integral of q of x na to is dara. Nga to ang q of x, di ba? q of x. So, e raised to negative 2x all over x ln x times the integrating factor na e raised to 2x ln of x dx. This one can be simplified dali lang by cancelling out x ln x and makancel out sa di ba ni si kani and si kani. Since we have e raised to negative 2x times e raised to 2x, that can be cancelled out since different sign ng exponent. So, mabili na lang is y e raised to 2x ln x is equal to integral of dx over x, which is kani equal to ln of x. So, the answer is y e raised to 2x ln x is equal to ln x plus the constant value. So, that is our general solution for number 1. So, we have our example or problem number 2. We can try to divide this one if check nato siya kung aha siya nakalinear. Since dili ni homogeneous, dili ni siya exact, and dili sad nato siya ma-separate. So, what if we will try to divide this function? So, multiply both sides by 1 over 1 plus y squared y ln y. So, nalang tayo bilin na dx plus divide na to ni siya sa diri x times y ln y arctan of y plus y squared plus 1 all over 1 plus y squared times y ln of y. Minus the same with this one, divide sad. So, y e raised to negative 1/2 arctan of y squared dy is equal to 0. Divide sad ni 1 plus y squared y ln of y. And we can divide dy and tanaw na to ang ato ang kinahanglan ma-simplify, which is ma-cancel out nato ni if i-distribute ato si ln y dire, right? So we have dx over dy plus x. Since sa factor na daan si x, so i-factor out na lang nato. So, ma-cancel out diri si y ln y. Ang bilin is arc tan of y over 1 plus y squared plus y squared plus 1 all over 1 plus y squared times y ln of y. And as you can see, we can simplify this one. Aha ni siya gikan. Dire ako lang ni siyang gi by group. Group na ko ni. Group sad na ko ni siya. So, it's the same. So, ma-cancel out ni mo ni. So, further, maka-simplify ta og answer na 1 all over y ln of y. Then, kani is ato siyang himuong q of x. So, himo siyang positive y e raised to negative 1/2 arctan of y squared all over 1 plus y squared y ln of y. And we can now get our integrating factor of y is equal to e raised to the integral of this one, arctan of y over 1 plus y squared plus 1 over y ln of y with respect to x. So this one is very simple. Okay, for this one, let's try to answer it step by step or term by term. For this term, unahon na to si kani integral of arctan y over y squared at also i-arrange as 1. If we let u be equal to arctan of y and take its derivative and its differential equal to formula ani is 1 over y squared plus 1 dy. So our integral can be rewritten as, since arctan of y is ato ang gilet u, so u. And ato ang dy over y squared plus 1 is equal to u, so du. So equal na siya karon by power rule, u squared over 2. And ato ang u is arctan. So 1/2 arctan of y raised to 2. And for our second term, we have integral of 1 over y ln of y. Since nansira na to siya ganiha, equal na siya kang ln of ln x. So, ang atong integrating factor is equal to e raised to 1/2 arctan y squared plus ln of x. And we can further simplify this by applying the algebra again. Wala siya kang e raised to 1/2 arctan of y squared times e raised to ln of y. Anong x? Y ni siya, y. Sorry. So, kanina ma-cancel out. So, this would give us only e raised to 1/2 arctan of y squared times ln of y. So, by applying general formula, if linear in x, we have x times the integrating factor of y is equal to the integral of q of y times integrating factor y. So, x times atong integrating factor nga nakuha kani e raised to 1/2 arctan of y ln y is equal to the integral of our q of y na asa to siya. Tara. Ang q of y. So, we have y times e raised to negative 1/2 arctan of y squared over 1 plus y squared y ln of y times the integrating factor na e raised to 1/2 arctan of y squared times ln of y with respect to y. As you can see, we can cancel out ln y, and this one. Since negative, yung isa kay positive, so cancel out siya. Since they have the same exponent. Exponential rule in algebra. So, we can cancel out also this one di ay. Kani, si y. So, bili na lang is equal integral of 1 over 1 plus y squared dy. So, ang answer ana is equal na siya kang arctan of y plus your c. So, to rewrite everything, we have x times e raised to negative 1/2, positive 1/2 arctan of y ln of y is equal to arctan of y plus your constant. So that's the general solution for our problem number 2. And that's it for this video.